Sorry if the audio is weird. Wait, what was that? Come back! Come back, I don't know who you are! He's pulling 2 trucks. I don't know where he's going, but I'm going after him. Things are... 2 trucks. What looks like a green tank engine? Come back! Ah! I lost him! He ran away! Come back! Whoa! I saw someone. Who are you? Who are you?
Help, a blue tank engine chased me.
Oh, you mean Thomas. Wait, you look like him. With the green paint. And you're the same class as him. Well, why were you running away from him?
You run as pilot in Big Station for 8 years. Say yes.
Yes. Yes, he did. Well, what do you say we go to the Wild West?
I've gone into the future from that BQAD crash.
What bad crash? Hey, come back. I want to know what bad crash you had. Why are you also going so fast? I'm back. I bet you don't know who I am. I was running after the green engine. Well, we are in the Wild West now, and will you please tell me what bad crash you had?
Of course, I remember you working on the Farquhar line.
Oh, well, I don't remember working on the Farquhar line.
Suppose you kinda dead and revived.
Oh, well, we're just 2 green tank engines. Well, I may not be green. Well, you are, and we're tank engines in the Wild West.
That crash was fuel tanker PLS. Keep it secret. Can I have a place 22 hide?
Yes, I will keep it secret, and I'll try to find you a place to hide. Follow me. Or at least I'll try to find a place to hide, and sorry if it's not good. So Ivar was running over to find a place for the green engine to hide. Where do you think is a good hiding spot?
James Red stood in LBSC Thomas Way and chide him.
Ivar ran away to try to find a hiding spot. What are you doing here at the big station?
Why James from 1925?
I am James, and what are you doing here at the big station? I heard you were with I heard you were with Ivor the engine.
Oh F. I am talking to you, Hash.
And he ran away.